ShowMeCables offers a wide variety of RJ45 style connectors to fit your needs. All of our connectors feature 50 micron gold plating on each contact to ensure connectivity. They can be terminated with 24 through 28 gauge wire. Our connectors are great for data or voice applications, such as Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6e, and shielded applications. When choosing an RJ45 connector, always choose the connector that matches the cable type you are using. A stranded RJ45 is an 8-position 8-conductor connector, also known as 8P8C. A stranded connector contains 2 teeth that pierce the strands to hold the wire in place. These RJ45 connectors are crimp style and will require a crimp tool for termination. Stranded cable is typically used when making your own patch cables.